What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and in this video we have kind of a cool one. So I actually bought a car charger from ACMount on Amazon a while back, and I ended up making a video on how to use it and kind of talking about why I bought it and stuff like that. Well, ACMount, the company, has actually reached out to me and sent me 2 more products that they'd like me to unbox. So I'm going to go ahead and do that today and show you what they sent. Before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed, because 99% of you are not subscribed. And that's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. So on to the unboxing itself. Let's go ahead and switch cameras. All right, so here is the package itself. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. We're gonna go ahead and slice through this and try not to cut myself or anything here. We'll be very careful. Nice. Do the other side. Very nice. And then we just need to get the top here. All right, so the product is open, and let's kind of pull out the first product and see what's inside. So the first one we have here is a car jump starter, LED and USB jump starter. Let's go ahead and set this right here. And let's take a look at what this is. This is the J450. So if we turn it around here, we see J450. Any more details on the product itself? Not yet. Let's go ahead and open this up and check it out. So let's open up the product from the back here and see what's inside. Very nice. It comes in its own little pouch. Since this will be going with you in the car, this is actually a really cool feature, so let's set that down. And let's take a look. We have the user manual here for the J450. Now this is a 14,000 milliamp hour battery built into here. So let's go ahead and open this up. And we have the clips as well as a USB charger. Let's open up the USB charger. So this is a USB-C charger. That's nice to see. And then we have, of course, the actual adapter for your car. So it has the clips for positive and negative here. And you're going to be clipping these to your vehicle's battery and then connecting it to the device itself. So let's go ahead and put that aside. And here is the device itself. Let's pull it out. Ooh, very sleek, kind of Terminator-y style thing here. If we press the power button, we can see that it has about 75% charge. If we hold it down, we can see that we have a light here. We can hold it down again, and that turns the light off. We have the charging in as well as charging out, so you can charge your phone with this as well. And then of course you can pull this off and connect your actual adapter here so that you can jump start your car. Very nice product here. So looking up the details, the ACMount J450 is 2,000 amps of current into your vehicle, which is suitable for up to 6.5 liter diesel engine. So you can use it for 8 liter gas, 6.5 liter diesel, pretty much any kind of vehicle you need a jump start. This should help. Great. Let's see what other products they sent over and set this aside. All right, so here is the other ACMount jump starter that we're going to take a look at, and we can see here that it has a very similar packaging, but it is a larger and different product. If we take a look at the other box here, it is much larger than the other box, so it's the same width, but it's taller. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. Again, we have a nice carrying pouch, but this time, ooh, this is premium. Okay. Let's set this aside and see what's inside this one. We're going to go ahead and open this up, and I can already tell by the weight and the quality of everything in here that this is probably going to be a higher end version of the jump starter, but let's open it up and see what's inside. So we have a nice zipper here for, again, the clips. That's what you're going to connect to your car battery to jump start it. We have a USB-C cable. Ooh, very nice purple cable, meaning this is going to be very high quality and support very fast transfer rates. We have a happiness card or satisfaction card, and then of course the actual car jump starter manual. And here we have the product itself. All right, so this is definitely the higher end version. Let's go ahead and turn it on here. We have 68% battery to start, and when I hold it down, we have the light. If I tap it, I can get different types of lights like SOS, and then just flashing. And then if I hold it down, it'll turn it off. And we have a compass here, so we can always tell which way is north. We have a glass breaker on this side, I believe that is. And this has 3,000 amps of peak current. So that's going to make this work for 10-liter gas cars as well as 8-liter diesel engines. This is an 18-watt USB-C input. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. It's on the side here. We have a USB-C input, and we have 2 USB outs, one fast charger and one normal charger. Great. And these are just super, super useful to have with you in your car, because if your car battery does happen to die, this is going to be a really quick and easy way to get back up and running very quickly. If you're late for work and all of a sudden, oh no, my car is dead, pull this out of the glove box and you're up and running. I bought this for myself, not this one specifically. I bought an ACMount. You can see my video from a while back on that one. And they were nice enough to send these over because I liked it so much. So yeah, definitely check them out. We've got a discount code, which I'll put in the description below. And as always, thank you so much for watching and have a good one. Peace.
Administrative elevator command. Build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect, MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, yeah, MikeTheTech, the architect.